Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share about Mr. Coffee 2,129,512 5-cup mini brew switch coffee maker, black. Details: product. Grab a cup. Auto pause lets you grab a cup before brewing is finished. Lift and clean filter basket makes for easy cleanup. Compact design is great for small spaces. Updated ergonomic carafe offers easy pouring and handling, and features ounce markings for perfect measuring. The carafe is made of glass. Thanks for watching my video. Get best price and discount about this product by link in description. See you.